What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Swish Life Garage. It's with your boy Caleb again, and today I'm just making a quick video on how to clean headlights. I know I've showed this before, but I just want to show you guys again, just a little bit more thorough and a quicker video this time around. I'm going to be working on the F250. Never cleaned the headlights in its whole lifetime, and they suck, to be honest. Now, I know there's a lot of companies out there that sell a whole bunch of products on how to clean your headlights, and to be quite honest, there's only one real way to do it, and all of them have the same problem. The yellowing, the oxidation from the sun hitting on the headlights onto the plastic. That's what really turns it yellow. And really, you just gotta take off that top layer, polish it out, and put a protective covering over it. A lot of headlights have the protective covering from factory, but over time it starts to fade off, and that's why they turn yellow. So today I'm going to show you how to clean it, and as well what product to use on them so it doesn't happen again. Going to be cleaning the truck's headlights. They've never been cleaned ever in its life. It's a 99, and they suck. So probably going to be changing out this corner light as well. This one already been changed, but I have an extra one in the garage, so might as well. But here's a before. Here is the grit of sandpaper I'll be using in order from lowest to highest: 600, 800, 1000, 2000, all the way up to 3000, which will guarantee that we will get a clear result and not all cloudy after we buff it out, and won't take much buffing time. So that's what it is. There's really no way around this. Other people say they have a product, or you could try this and that. I mean, just spend the money and just do it. I buy this because I do it on plenty of cars. If you like, you could buy the McGuire's kit for the headlight restoration. That is the cheapest and best results you could get with just one simple product, and that's for like 25 bucks.
Chuki.
Okay, so the headlight has been buffed out, and I taped up everything so we won't get any overspray from the covering that we're about to spray. It's the McGuire's headlight coating. I don't know how well you guys can see it. Well, they sell it at Walmart. It's only about 8 bucks. You put about 3 coats, and of course, give it some time in between, about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the weather. It's a little bit hot today, so I'll probably give it about 5 minutes in between coats. But gonna put 3 coats, and then gonna let it dry for 24 hours before you wash it or do anything like that. Or as well, try not to drive if possible, but should be good. Here we have a comparison, side by side, finished up. let's go ahead and finish this one up. Here, just using an electric drill with a buffing pad and some Meguiar's plastics, and just go over it probably about 3 times until it's, you get satisfying results, and then just gonna tape it up and spray the headlight coating. Okay, so there you have it, all finished up. Clear. Also replace the turn signal. And if you're wondering how to replace the turn signal, it's just Phillips right there, another Phillips screw right here, and then it just pulls right out and unplug the light bulbs. But it looks a whole lot better. I'm very sure it's going to make a difference at night as well. Alright, as you guys saw, those headlights came out amazing. A few things I want to say about the sanding. Sometimes the 600 grit is not necessary, but if you have a whole bunch of like pits in the plastic, then you're definitely going to want to use the 600, just because it's going to make a faster job, just because it's going to cut down on that plastic and get it to where it's nice and smooth, so you don't have those pits any longer. But if you don't have those, you could start off on the 800 and move on your way up. But either way, it doesn't really hurt if you use the 600 or not. I'm just letting you guys know. And as well, you'll know when it's time to move up on the sandpaper grit is because it starts to feel real smooth, and you start to see like less color come off of the headlights. Especially when you first start off, you're going to see that yellowish tint come off of the headlights, the oxidation come off of the plastic. And but just go on a feel of it. Basically what you're doing is you're putting scratches into the plastic, and then when you move to a finer grit, you're taking those scratches out, moving on to a finer one, taking those scratches out, until you get to 3000, which is, it's still producing scratches in the headlight, but it's very minimal, so when you hit it with the buffer, it just cuts right through it and makes it nice, clean and smooth, and you don't see any of those scratches any longer. Now the headlight covering I sprayed is from Meguiar's. Like I stated, it's only about $8 at Walmart. You would have to spray it once a year onto your headlights, just after you wash it, just clean it off of debris and oil, and tape up the surrounding area so you don't get any overspray. But again, put 3 coats on it once a year so your headlights maintain the crispy look that they have after you clean it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. As always, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I always got different videos and projects going on as well. If you want to hit me up on social media, just follow me or message me. The information is in the description box. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.